In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Geometry Dash not launching on PC in 2026. This checks the installed files on your computer and replaces anything that is missing, damaged, or corrupted. It is a simple process and only takes a few moments. Start by opening Steam on your PC. Make sure the application is fully loaded and that you are signed into the account where Geometry Dash is installed. Once Steam is open, look toward the top or side of the window and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Inside your library, find Geometry Dash in the list of games. Click on it once to open the game page inside Steam. From there, look for the settings area for the game. You will need to open the Properties menu. In most versions of Steam, you can do this by right-clicking on Geometry Dash in the left panel and then selecting Properties from the menu that appears. This will open a new settings window for that specific game. After the Properties window opens, look for the Installed Files section on the left side. Click on Installed Files to continue. This section contains options related to the files currently stored on your computer for Geometry Dash. Now find the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that button and let Steam begin the scan. Steam will compare your installed game files with the official version from its servers. If any files are broken, missing, or incomplete, Steam will automatically fix or replace them for you. Wait until the verification process is completely finished. The time this takes may vary depending on your computer and storage speed, but usually it does not take too long. Once it is done, close the Properties window and try launching Geometry Dash again from your library. In many cases, this resolves the issue and allows the game to start normally. If the game still does not launch after verifying the files, you may need to restart Steam or restart your PC before trying again. However, verifying the integrity of the game files is the first fix you should try because it is quick, safe, and built directly into Steam. That covers everything you need to know.